In this video, I will show you how to check Instagram last seen news within. So if you actually want to see that, let's head over and then let me show you first my inbox. So here's my inbox right here. Let's head over and click that. And then you can see in here that I have in here a conversation with this person. Then you can see in here this last seen 54 minutes ago. So that means that this message has actually been seen 54 minutes ago by this particular person. Now you can actually disable or enable it on your actual settings. So head over right here to your profile icon, and then in here you should be able to see your actual profile. Head over and click on these three lines, and then from in there you can see all of these things that you can see right here. So you can head over right here to your messages and story replies, and in here your activity status as well as your read receipt. So if you actually enable this, others can see when you read their messages, but once it's been turned off, they won't be able to see your last messages. So if that person that you're talking about has enabled this, what you can do is you can head over and then just see if they actually receive it by trying to call them. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.